So today I've got a Instant Pot pro tip for all of you. I'm making actually the first Instant Pot recipe of the new year. Today it is my white bean soup, which is so amazingly delicious. Look at that. What I did was I doubled the batch for the 6 quart for the 8. And so I used, instead of 2 cups of beans, I used 4 cups. Now, I could not fit all of the water. So the original recipe was 7 cups. This would take 14, but you see that line there, the PC Max line? You can't go beyond it when you're cooking with your Instant Pot or pressure cooker. So what I did was I measured water, which ended up being 12, not 14, because 7 times 2 is 14. That's what the recipe would take if I truly doubled it. So I put in the 12, the max amount allowed. I cooked it. And now I'm gonna take water, the 2 cups that would make that full 14, and I boiled this water in my kettle and I just pour it in. So that is a full doubling of the recipe. One extra thing that I would suggest to do is hit your saute and go ahead and let it heat through. That is hot water, I get it. But when you let it just boil for another couple minutes without the lid on, because it's on saute, it just enables all of the flavors to come together better. So it is a nice way to just bring the whole soup together. Let it boil just for a couple minutes, not much. You can actually serve it just like this if you want, but this way, it'll just enable everything to break down just a little bit more. And this soup is one of my absolute favorites. I made a big batch because my one daughter is going back to college, and I'm gonna give her a bunch to just have with her. It's just a great way to start off your day. I actually eat it for breakfast sometimes. It's that amazing and that good. It is the white bean soup recipe on my website, indianasapplepie.com. You can grab the recipe, and what I did a little bit differently today, I added little bits of potato in here too, just to give it a little bit more depth. And also, see how I crushed that? That's the potato, little tiny pieces of potato. It just kind of makes the soup a little thicker. It's so good. And then of course I'll take the bay leaves out. I want to keep them in as long as I can for flavor, but then I will take them out before I serve the soup, before I eat. White beans are just so easy to cook in the Instant Pot, 20 minutes. Of course, you got your warm up and then you have a 10-minute cool down, but it's hands-free, hands-off cooking. Folks, if you really want to learn how to use your Instant Pot more and you want to learn how to make delicious Indian food, check out my website and sign up for our Zoom classes in 2024. They're really affordable, $25 a class. Free class pass if you buy $25 worth of product at your favorite retailer that sells Indian as apple pie, or you buy it from our website. So please go ahead and check that out and see how it's coming to a boil. We're gonna let that go ahead and simmer, 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 and then just turn it off and enjoy this delicious soup. All right, folks, have a great day. Check out indianasapplepie.com for all your favorite recipes.